There's a Vijay tsunami in Tamil Nadu. Celebrations are currently underway. 109 seats, that's what the TVK has. And take a look at how the parties are queuing up, Pratibha, to offer support to Vijay. Initially, they said that, he's just a star, he's a celebrity, he has no experience as an administrator. That popularity is not going to translate into votes. But that just happened in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, and all the DMK leaders who dismiss him as just an entertainer, somebody who's getting crowds but is not going to get votes, all of them have egg on their faces now, because look at the massive mandate. He's just a stone's throw away from actual power. He needs just a few more seats and he could form the government. TVK went solo and they are the single largest party in Tamil Nadu. Celebrations breaking out. In fact, we also saw celebrations at Vijay's residence. His father was also seen celebrating. When Vijay started the political party, it was in fact his father who had registered the political party, and back then Vijay was not too happy about it. And look how things have changed completely in just the last 2 years.
And I think we have the reactions coming in from the proud parents of Vijay.
People of Tamil Nadu has given up a ballistic majority to Mr. Vijay. How do you see this, ma'am?
I am so happy.
She's not only his mother, she is the first fan of Vijay. First fan. Today he's so happy. From morning 3:30.
All right, let's go across to Dharni. She's joining us live from outside the TVK headquarters. Dharni, what's happening there? Celebrations for sure, but is there any discussion, any charcha happening as far as the workers that are concerned on what's going to happen next?
Well, we are reporting from in front of the TVK headquarters here in Chennai, and of course, as you can see in the visuals, there is a large-scale celebration that is currently taking place. In fact, the supporters, they put up a huge banner with Vijay's image in it, and the words there, they say Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister Vijay. That is what is written on that banner. The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu Vijay is what is written over there, and the fans have in fact written a list of demands also for Vijay. They want a transparent government, an uncorrupt government, and they want women's safety to be ensured, and they want jobs for youth. All of this have been written on that banner. All of these demands have been written on that banner over there, and this is the crowd that is currently standing in front of Vijay's headquarters. In fact, try and get a word from one of the fans over here. Sir, evlo happy irukkinga TVK win?
ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். அண்ணன் தங்க ஆயி புட்டா நீ நான ஒரு தாய் பிள்ளை தானடா, பிறந்த இடம் வளர்ந்த இடம் இது தானடா. சிங்கிங் அண்ணன் தங்க ஆயி புட்டா. Hi Anna, I love you Vijay Anna.
Okay, I love you Vijay Anna. That is what the fans here have to say. And of course, talking about the political probabilities that is currently in front of Vijay's eyes, Vijay seems to be falling short of attaining the majority by himself. TVK seems to be falling short of attaining the magic number, that is 118 by itself. So it looks like TVK will need the help of a few other political parties, and there are two scenarios.
And they're already lining up. They're already offering their support, talking about a possible tie-up with the TVK. Now, the TVK has to decide whose support to take. I quickly want to also go across to Shubrashta. Shubrashta, everyone remembers how, feelers were sent by some Congress leaders, and then Rahul Gandhi said, Vijay, you are my brother and we will always stand by you. But that bonhomie was missing between Mr. Stalin and Rahul Gandhi. Not even once did we see them share the stage in Tamil Nadu. Shubrashta, can you hear me?
Yes. So the election results today, especially with respect to Tamil Nadu, goes on to show one thing very clearly, which is that the state is not going to accept dynasts just because they just because it's given that the son of a certain someone will come to position of power. And the way in which DMK and Congress, the way in which they all sort of managed their house together, or perhaps did not manage at all, is for everybody to see. Also, in case of Congress, I don't know where does this arrogance
Okay,
come
sorry
from.
to interrupt you, Shubhra.